Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have the right to change the file. You are responsible for legality and ethics. Once done, check for original backups and any password hints in email or notes. That often solves the issue quickly. Make sure you can access the account that created the PDF or prepare to contact its owner. If you have permission, use official, supported software or your organization's IT channel rather than ad hoc tools. Now you pursue authorized recovery paths. If you know part of the password, use vendor-recommended recovery features. They guide you without breaking security. Alternatively, request an unprotected copy from the owner or have them remove protection for you. That preserves audit trails. For enterprise or corrupted PDFs, escalate to vendor support or your IT team so they can apply licensed tools and preserve compliance. These routes to finish, once you legitimately regain access, save a new copy with clear metadata and document authorization steps so you can prove lawful access later. If you still cannot open the file, double-check who created it and whether permissions or rights were changed. Sometimes rights management prevents changes even with a password. If problems persist, contact your IT department or the PDF vendor for guided assistance. Keep authorization records handy to speed support and avoid legal complications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.